can't see.
You're just letting him do it this time.
He looks so black, so.
You're not getting him properly, I don't think. Like his legs and stuff.
Oh, he looks.
Get his bum hole. Get his bum hole.
On the camera, it doesn't.
Should I give him my hand?
Oh,
I just recorded that.
Should I give him my hand?
Oh, we're sorry.
Don't cry.
It's alright. It's alright.
It's okay.
Do we need more of his legs and
Move.
I forgot how to do it. Do you remember?
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
Closer.
Warm water, not hot. Not hot. Warm.
He's shaking, Biden, he's shaking.
It's alright. It's alright.
And cold in it.
I just want to grab him.
Can you feel it? Feel it.
He's
Rex, it's
cold
okay.
in it. Is he cold?
Alright, don't get it in his
Yeah,
ear.
are you getting? Are you putting your hand
Yeah,
down?
put your hand down and just get him. Don't get in his ear. Be
Oh,
very
yeah.
careful.
It's okay. Get him this way.
He feels so gross. Don't get his ear, don't get
Why
his
he
ear.
moves?
Just be careful.
It's
Do it
okay.
from close, yeah, so he won't get a chance to.
Are you not going to wash his face that means?
No, you can't get in his ear.
I'm looking at it over here.
He gets headache.
Go on, quick, come on. It's okay, Rex, it's okay.
Oh!
I want you to wash his face.
It's okay, Rex.
Go on, go on, go on.
It's okay, Rex.
It's okay. Oh,
Let me do one.
Aww.
Fill it up.
it's okay. Sorry.
He's shivering. Oh my days.
Don't video him crying.
No, it's okay.
Bill. Yeah, don't worry. One more
Wash
time.
his,
Hey,
wash
Rex.
his legs.
Yeah, one more time.
Do it from the front.
Rex, look.
The last one, yeah. And then we'll clean it.
Do it over there. 'cause
Oh,
you
why
can't
did
reach
he
over
go
there.
busy?
Go
It's
get his,
okay. Oh.
go get his towel.
I mean, where's the towel?
What town?
It's on my chest.
Get close. From close, yeah?
Oh shit.
You mean it's on your bed? Yeah.
Whoa.
Sorry.
Take the towel.
Oh.
How do I wrap him up in this?
I'll get this.
Pick him up first.
Come on, Rex, it's over.
It's okay, it's okay.
It's okay. Look at the traumatized cat, man.
Wipe him. Rub him up.
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay, guys.
Aw, it's okay. Oh.
This is the worst thing you had to do to him.
Yeah.
The way
No, I think
he's.
it's disgusting. We're not disgusting or anything.
I know.
It's just too. You just feel too bad.
Yeah, he's been like a long one.
It's okay. It's okay.